Here we go. What's on the agenda for today? Here it comes. Welcome to 3D Accuracy, where I'll talk about 3D printing, 3D product design, and 3D injection and die-cast mold design. What we're up to today is I'm just about to the point where all I have to do are along the edges, and all the pieces on this side all need to be cut. They need to be laid out and cut. Same with this around here. The only place I have right now is along this wall where all the boxes are. I've got some areas that I still need to put whole planks before I get close enough to the wall that they need to be cut. So what I want to do for today is move all these boxes, then I can wash this floor, this area of the floor, put the prep down, and then lay the planks in there. Then the other thing that I want to do today is, you can see here the slight difference in the floor. This has been washed, not under the door, just up to the door. But this area here where you can kind of see that line, this has been prepped for the planks to go down. So what I want to do is give this another wash along this edge and prep this edge also. Then I'll run a chalk line from here to there so that all these planks that go in need to be cut to that snap line. I'll just snap a line so I get a straight edge at the door. I may get to some of that today. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to pop open the door, open it up a little bit so I can get under it to wash it and prep it. That way, once I prep this area, wash and prep it, I only need to wash out that roller one time. Making some progress. Check this out. I laid out some of the planks along the back wall of the shop here. These all need to be cut, and I have everything washed, and while it was drying, I laid these planks out, and then I just put the prep down. I put that down, and it's just about, it looks like it's dry. It's been about an hour that it's been down. I've been waiting, and I did all across the front and under the door, so that's all ready for the planks to go down. So right now I'm going to move all the planks, the long planks that don't need to be cut. I'm going to move those in position along the wall here, and then go ahead and stick those, as many of them as I can this evening, because it's already cruising on 5:30. So I'll get as many of those done this evening as I can, and then I start working this front edge. I think I'm going to do this one first. Well, I have all the planks laid out in position, but of course it never goes as easily as possible. It always has to be a little bit of something that needs to be tweaked, or let me show you. I have all the planks laid out along the wall. I wanted to be certain that I had enough planks to do all the large pieces before I started cutting. And then I laid all the planks out here down the side so that I know these don't have to be cut. A lot of these, they just have to be laid until I get close to the wall. Like this group here needs to be cut, and that one over there, and those up in the corner. Then I laid out all the planks across the front because they all need to be cut. So I have enough planks. The problem is, you see the line on the floor? The pencil line, which you can see here, is where the door hits. I closed the door and then drew a pencil line along the door on the outside. The red chalk line is the line that runs straight from the inside of this wall to the inside of that wall. Now, you see what the problem is. There's obviously a big difference in where the location of the line is. if I follow the chalk line, I'm going to have the tips, the leading edge of all the planks sticking out from underneath the door. I'm thinking of following the pencil line because even if I put a new door in, and if the new door comes to the outside, I think the thickness of the door would still be inside the pencil line, so you wouldn't see concrete on the inside in the future. So even though I don't like having to follow that pencil line because it's in an arc, it's not straight, I don't think it's going to be that noticeable. I think it'll look better than having the leading edge of those planks sticking out from under the door from the outside. That I don't like the looks of at all. I'm going to start along the front and just see how it goes, see how much I can get done this evening. Okay, back at it. And then I put another one in tight. And hope they line up. This one's over a bit. Is much faster than measuring and cutting one at a time. Again, just to make sure I'm deep enough to crack them cleanly. Okay. See, much faster doing it this way than measuring and cutting one is useful. But I wouldn't give it a real high priority. Voila! Bingo, bingo, bingo. 3 cut just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Get that out of the way. "11:30 p.m. and I got the front finished. Check this out. I got the front along the roll-up door all done. It turned out real nice. I have the little spacers like I did, on the other wall and the other side of the shop. So I'll do those tomorrow. Not a big deal that those go in there right now, but I'll get to those. And then the planks that fit underneath the guide rails for the roll-up doors, I got to take those rails off and cut them up off the floor 1/8 of an inch so I can slide those planks underneath. And I'll have the same thing over here on this side. I got to pull this one up as well. So anyway, tomorrow we'll do some more. Got this part of it done, which is nice. With the weather being so cool, I was able to open the door. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're ever in need of 3D product design, 3D injection mold design, 3D die-cast mold design, or 3D printed prototypes or production parts, please feel free to contact me. You can find contact information in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and to being of service to you. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you on 3D Accuracy's next video.